Hello children, a very warm welcome to Indoor Learning Academy. We are again back with the new video of class 1 Mathematics Unit 9, that is data handling. Now children, what is data handling? Data handling का मतलब होता है कोई भी अपने पास जो रिकॉर्ड रहता है उसको अच्छे से सिस्टमैटिक वे में उसको ऑर्गेनाइज करना, उसको अच्छे से कलेक्ट करना या उसे गैदर करना. So let's start the chapter. Now children, you can see this picture in your book also. What you have to do in this picture is that there are so many different shapes in this. Can you see shapes? I can see circle, I can see triangles, I can see squares, and I can also see rectangles. So children, what you have to do here is you have to count all the shapes. So let's start with triangle first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have 8 triangles, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So children, how many triangles we have in all together? We have 22 triangles. So children, here we will write that we have 22 triangles. Now, let us count number of circles. Let's start counting circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here we have 11 circles. So children, how many circles we have here? We have 11 circles. How many circles we have? 1, 1, 11. Now, let's start counting number of squares. Squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So children, we have 8 squares. Fine children, we have 8 squares. So square we have 8. Now we are left with rectangles. Now let us start counting rectangles. Where are rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 rectangles. So what we will write here? We will write 8 rectangles. Now see children, can you see this? This is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. How many sides triangle has? Triangle has 3 sides. Fine. Now this is a circle. See this? This bangle is also circle. Fine children. It has no side. Circle में एक भी side नहीं होता है. Then this is a square. Let's start counting how many sides square has. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And all the sides are equal. Square has 4 sides and all the sides are equal. Now let us start counting rectangles. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. Rectangle is also having 4 side. But what is the difference between square and rectangle is that? Square में all 4 sides are equal, but in rectangle देखो opposite sides equal है और ये वाले opposite sides equal है. Can you see? ये दोनों एक जैसे हैं और ये दोनों एक जैसे हैं. Now children, so here we have learnt about triangle. That triangle has 3 sides and circle has no sides. Square has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. Next we have rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides, but the only difference between a square and a rectangle is that 2 sides are opposite sides are equal. ये दो opposite sides equal है और ये दो opposite sides equal है. So now name the shapes that occur the most. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा shapes था? सबसे ज़्यादा सर्कल था. सर्कल था, ट्रायंगल था. चलो चलो एक बार चेक करते हैं. Triangle. So what are we going to write here? We are going to write here triangle. 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 Next. Name the shapes that occurs the least. Least का मतलब होता है सबसे कम shapes कौन कौन सी थी? Square भी सबसे कम था and rectangle भी सबसे कम था. आप कोई भी एक लिख लेना. Let us write square. SQUARE square. Fine children. Let's move to the next slide. Now, so children, please complete this and I hope that you will enjoy doing this. These children are friends. Count the number of letters in each name word. Now children, you can see some names here. Fine. Salma, SALMA, Salma. JOSEPH, Joseph. ARUN, Arun. CHINTU, Chintu. GEETA, Geeta. ASHA, Asha. SUBBU, Subbu. AHMAD, Ahmad. RAVI, Ravi. So fine children, ये सारे फ्रेंड्स से लेट अस सी क्या बोला है करने के लिए. हाउ मेनी नेम्स हैव 4 लेटर्स. अब आपको यहाँ पे जाना है एंड आपको देखना है कि कितने नेम्स में 4 लेटर्स है. 1 2 3 4 5 नो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 नो. 1 2 3 4 देखो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 नो. 1 2 3 4 आशा. 1 2 3 4 5 no. 1 2 3 4. Fine children. So कितने नाम 4 letter words है? Arun, Asha and Ravi. So how many names have 4 letters? 3. Next, how many names have 5 letters? Now what you have to do here is आपको बताना है कितने names. Let me check. 5 letters वाले names बताना है. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 3 words, 3 names. 1 2 3 4 5. So we have 5 लेटर वर्ड्स. कितने हैं? 4 नेम्स. कौन कौन से 4 नेम्स हैं? सलमा, SALMA सलमा. GEETA गीता. SUBBU सुब्बू. AHMAD Ahmad. So children, 5 letters word we have 4. Next, how many names have 6 letters? कितने नाम में 6 letter words हैं? Let us check once again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Joseph, Chintu, Purse. Fine. So, how many names have 6 letters? 2. Fine children. How many? Let us see once again. Yeah. Now you have to count the number of letters in each name word. 1 2 3 4 5. Fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. आपको लिखना भी है जैसे मैम ने लिखा है बोर्ड पे. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4. 4 लिख लिया मैंने. 1 2 3 4 5. मैंने 5 लिख दिया यहाँ पे. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Fine. 1 2 3 and 4. So is it clear children? Now how many names have 6 letters? complete हो गया. Now how many times letter S comes in all the names taken together? अब आपको क्या करना है? S देखना है कहाँ कहाँ पे S है. 1 2 3 4. Yes, we have 4 S. How many S we have? Let us check once again. 1 2 3 and 4. So we have 4 S. Next, how many times A comes in all the names taken together? Now children, you have to count कितनी बार A है इसमें? Let us check. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many A's we have altogether? We have 9 A's. So that's all for today, children. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We'll meet you soon with the new video. Till then, bye, take care and stay blessed. Thank you.